Today, I'm excited to take you inside this 3-bedroom home in Satsuma, Alabama. We're a 20-minute commute from Mobile. Rebuilt from the slab up, it feels brand new. We've got everything. It still has that new smell. Welcome to the home of the day. Let's go inside and give you a tour of this beautiful home. Inside the kitchen, I love that it shares the dining area and the living room all in one open concept. You got this nice large island, quartz counters, seating on this side that backs up to the living area. We've got drawers on this side. I love the colors of the cabinets. You've got the porcelain sink, all new Samsung appliances. And one of my favorite features in a kitchen is soft close drawers that you can just slam and they will softly close every time. Featuring luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. When I say rebuilt from the slab up, it feels like new construction. We've got new floors, new framing, new metal roof, new trusses, new attic work. It really is a great house. The floor plan is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Bedrooms 2 and 3 that you see here share a Jack and Jill bathroom. And all 3 bedrooms are almost the same size. So it really feels, instead of one large primary in bedrooms 2 and 3, it feels like you've got 3 primary suites, all with a large walk-in closet and access to a really nice outfitted bathroom. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you want more information about this beautiful listing in Satsuma, Alabama, my information is on the screen. What did you think about the home? Leave us a comment in the comment section. We'd love to know what you thought about the remodel, the layout, the colors. Love to interact with you there. If you want to keep watching pretty homes in our area, you can click right here. And if you don't want to miss anything we do going forward, you could subscribe right here.